Embark on a culinary adventure with the extended Brazilian Risole recipe, a beloved snack that's a staple in Brazilian cuisine. Risoles are delightful, crispy pastries filled with savory ingredients, perfect for parties or as a tasty treat. Begin by preparing the dough, which is the foundation of a good risole. In a saucepan, combine milk, butter, and a pinch of salt. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Gradually add all-purpose flour, stirring continuously. The dough will start to thicken and form a ball. Keep stirring over medium heat for a few minutes to cook the flour. Once the dough is smooth and homogeneous, remove it from the heat and let it cool. This dough, known for its pliability and smooth texture, is essential for creating the perfect risole. For the filling, the possibilities are endless. A classic choice is cheese, such as mozzarella, or a Brazilian cheese like catupiry. For a meat filling, cook ground beef or shredded chicken with finely chopped onions, minced garlic, and your choice of seasonings. Cook until the meat is well done and flavorful. Let the filling cool before assembling the risoles. Once the dough is cool, roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/8 inch thickness. Cut the dough into circles using a cookie cutter or a glass. Place a spoonful of your chosen filling on one half of each dough circle. Fold the dough over the filling, creating a half-moon shape. Press the edges firmly to seal, preventing the filling from leaking out during frying. Dip each risole in beaten eggs, then roll them in breadcrumbs. This coating ensures a crispy, golden exterior. Heat oil in a deep fryer or a large, deep pan. Fry the risoles in batches until they are golden brown and crispy. Be sure not to overcrowd the pan to maintain a consistent temperature. Serve your risoles hot and crispy, accompanied by a tangy dipping sauce or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. These bite-sized pastries are perfect as a snack, an appetizer, or even as part of a larger meal. The combination of a crispy outside and a savory, melted filling makes these Brazilian risoles a delightful treat that's sure to impress. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian risoles, a simple yet delicious recipe that brings the flavors and joy of Brazil's street food to your table. Whether you're sharing them with family or enjoying them as a personal treat, these pastries are a delicious way to explore the rich and diverse flavors of Brazilian cuisine.